Hey Justin, it's Adrian with Hilti. I wanted to show you really quick what it would look like to move your furniture equipment as commodities versus assets in the software. I know that that's kind of a discussion topic for you guys right now. So real quick, we start here with the app, and this is not part of the process, but I just want to pull up my camera for you guys. I did this really makeshift scan code booklet for you guys that kind of talks about the different or lists the types of equipment that you guys have. Each of them has a barcode. It's kind of like when you go to the grocery store and you check out produce or something, right? The scanner's looking for those things. So in the same fashion, if we were to transfer some of these items to a truck that is ultimately going to go deliver it to a job site or a project, we would go ahead and hit that transfer button. I'm going to use that top right button in the corner. It looks like a barcode. And then I'm going to scan. And let's say I want to take some panel carts, and I want to take some e-crates, and I need some e-crate dollies. You can see at the bottom of the screen right here, the asset count is going up. Let's also say some moving boxes. So if I hit done, I'm going to confirm my list. Yes, panel carts. Yes, moving boxes. Yes, e-crates. Yes, e-dollies. Or e-crate dollies. I'm going to modify the quantity. So for this, what I like about it, and when you use it as a commodity functionality, where are we pulling these items from? In this case, we're pulling them from the warehouse, but I can also see that truck 1 has 42 of these items, and I'm not sure why, but it's giving you a quick snapshot of why. So the panel carts, we're taking 20 for this job. The moving boxes, again, it's showing us where all the other panel boxes are. But in this case, let's say we're taking 69 of them. And I'm just going to go through quickly and modify the quantities. And this can be done on the phone or, like I said, in a different capacity on the desktop version. And finally, the dollies, we'll just say 3. If these were simply assets, I would just be still scanning. If I wanted to take 69 moving boxes out, I would still be scanning with my phone. Scan, 69 separate scans to get those moving boxes over. Whereas if your warehouse manager knows we've taken 69 moving boxes, then it's just a quick change of the number, the quantity there. Then I go forward arrow, and then I'm going to assign it to a truck, because I know during our discussions we said let's assign it to trucks, and then we can assign the truck to a person. So this is going to go to truck 6. Anthony's going to be the one driving this later tomorrow after he comes, and I'm going to hit the checkbox. So that's kind of what it would look like really quickly if we were to do it commodities. One thing I like is if I hit this identify item button and I want to see where all of our moving boxes are, I can pull it up, and as I scroll down straight from my phone, I can see there's almost 600 in the warehouse, 69 on truck 6, and 56 on truck 1. You would not get that level of detail in a quick snapshot on your phone or in the desktop version if you did these as assets. They would each have a separate barcode by themselves. So that's why I think, especially for items like your moving boxes, your e-crates, things that you have a large quantity of, you're going to want to treat those as commodities, because it's just processing time is going to be a lot faster. Let's show that one more time. If we did library carts, we wanted to see where all the library carts are. I scroll down, 20 of them are in the warehouse, and 5 are on truck 3. So that's the benefit of using the commodities. Now, if we were to move these all to assets, where it's one barcode per line item or per actual e-crate box, for example, or e-crate, we would have to do transfer, barcode read, and then I'm going to have to scan, and I don't have any barcodes in front of me, but I would have to scan every single one of those barcodes 69 times if I was using 69 boxes. And so sometimes that process gets a little cumbersome. Although possible, I would not recommend it for your high quantity items that you guys have. And when I was looking at your spreadsheet here, this was the stuff in the San Diego office. These items become very clear to me, should be probably a commodity. And it helps keep your asset count down, which means it keeps your monthly cost down and your hardware, your upfront cost down. Probably for the library carts and the tubs, if you're keeping track of those, we could put the barcodes on those ones individually and then treat it that way. But that's just a quick rundown. If you have any other questions, you can let me know, and I can run through some more demos for you as needed. Okay, thanks, bye-bye.